Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Acty video. In today's video, we're going to be replacing the manual transmission fluid and the differential fluid. So let's get started. We need our 3/8 and a 17 socket. Here we are at the back of the truck, but I just wanted to show you guys from the back of the truck where we're working. So it's going to be right here, the drain, the fill plug and drain. So this will take a 17 mil socket. This will just be the 3/8 ratchet head in there. Should loosen this before we drain. And this might be a tough one to crack. Oh, okay. We got it loose. So then we just take our ratchet head, stick it in. Damn, dude. Ah, fudge. Well, when your arms fail you, try your feet. Okay. Woo! Yeah! We do have some Honda manual transmission fluid, and then we may just pump it in there. I'm not sure yet. I hope this works. Alright, so it's more or less finished draining now. It's pretty much just at a slow drip at this point. So take a napkin, clean that up, and then we will put the drain plug back on. And we'll replace the washer on the drain plug. I got these on Amazon. Take the new one, put that on there, and then bolt this back in. Okay, so 33 foot-pounds on this one. Okay. So again, we'll torque this down. Okay, messy job, but not too difficult. So my pump started annoying me halfway through, so I just ditched it and went for a flexible funnel, stuck that in there, started pouring the transmission fluid in there until I saw it seeping out, and then pulled it and put the plug back in. I'm a little sad because I got some transmission fluid on my patch. Okay, so from the passenger side is probably the easiest way to see this. Right there is our 17 mil we have to get off. And then underneath here that's the drain plug. We'll put the 3/8 ratchet in. This is the fluid we're going with for the front diff. I'll put all the products and everything I use, per usual, link in the description. Ah, damn, it's on there good. Ugh. Man, who needs a breaker bar when you got a foot, right? Okay. Sweet. So that's loose. So now we can break the drain. This is gonna be interesting. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, I think I finally cracked it. I wasn't able to get the ratchet in there all the way. It just wouldn't push up. But I came around from this side and then just pushed with my legs and was able to get it. So it's loose now. Alright, sweet. It's quite the stupid little arm workout. Okay, got the front diff to where it was spilling out, so torqued everything down. Now I just gotta do a little bit of cleanup because that was kind of a messy job. And now for the fun part, we go for a test drive and make sure everything is sound. Okay, so I just went for a little test drive. Overall, I think the ride quality has improved. Next, I'll be doing the shift bushings kit from Will Powered, so that should make it even better. So, a lot more videos are coming. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and if you did, thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one.